Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that the daughter of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha, after the demise of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, asked Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu to give her share out of legacy of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted him as fay. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu whereupon said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "We leave no inheritor. Whatever we bequeath is alms." Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha remained alive for 6 months after the demise of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and she kept demanding her share out of Fadak, Khaybar, and the environments of Medina Munawwara, which Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had bequeathed. But Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu refused to give her anything and said, "I will not abandon any of the practice of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I fear I will go astray if I forsake any of the practice of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." As for the endowment of Medina Munawwara, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu transferred them to the custody of Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhum. So Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu sought dominance over him, and Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu kept the property of Khaybar and Fadak in his custody and said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would expend them to fulfill his own rights and the needs of the state, and they will remain in the custody of that person who will be the caliph of the Muslim. So they are managed in the same will until now. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4557.